can you extra toast the bun? Can I get grilled onions on? Or yeah.
All right, yeah.
And then can I get spread on top of both those fries?
I'm beyond all that fun shit.
We gotta go surfing.
Dude, fuck no.
Dude, how about you just film me surfing?
Scared. I'll film you, sir. Nobody else.
Watch out.
Ah!
Bro, if I didn't say anything, you would have hit.
We crashed the rental.
It would have been on camera too.
Dude, I would have made you delete that fucking footy.
No, I would have put it in my
Dude,
vlog.
that would suck. Crash my car gets stolen, gets a rental car, crashes the rental car, dude. I would have the worst fucking luck ever. Ever. Dude. Like fucking hell. Dude. Never had now. Fuck bitches, get money.
That's that dude right there on the computer.
No.
So I went to Santa Monica to go to the fuck is that? I never noticed that mole before. Anyway, coming to Santa Monica to do some DoorDash. Been waiting in this hot spot for 40 minutes. Nobody's ordered anything. What am I supposed to do? About to just call it quits, go to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in forever. But I'm just trying to survive until I get my first check from YouTube next month. All right, everyone. We at the beach. It took about 45 minutes for us to walk here, but we had to do parking on a budget, if you know what I'm saying. Pretty chill out here. Just me and some dude looking for gold. But we're just enjoying life right now. Jay's gonna hit me up later to go skate, try to get a session in. My ankle still, it feels a lot better today, but like, it's not like 100%. He also injured his ankle. He's been skating on it. It's starting to feel better. So we're gonna get some clips today. But yeah, just decided to go to the beach today. I haven't been in a while. All right, guys, Brandon said that my package, sorry, I look like a freaking wild animal. The package went to Brandon's. If y'all don't know or haven't been watching my live streams, this dude, Gerald, he works at a electrolyte business. And I think he bought some of the stuff from the electrolyte business and he like sent it to us. So I'm about to go over there and check it out. But yeah. Bro's playing Fortnite.
Yeah.
Alright, where is it?
Playing Fortnite.
Where is it? Where'd you say it was?
He's from Alabama. What?
Where'd you say it was?
It's right there.
Oh shit. Let's go! Got the electric water. They sent me this too. LMNT. Stay salty. Alright.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
You're not live, are you?
No.
Oh, fucking I know. You're gonna definitely have to cut that
Yeah, I
out.
will.
Thanks.
I'll make sure to put that in
Can
there.
you leave it? Oh shit, you're about to try. Which one are you gonna try? Wait. No, do this thing first so it makes this up easier. Which one do you want to try?
Oh, like pour it in there first?
Yeah, which one?
What kind is this? Watermelon?
Yeah.
Alright. Watermelon salt is what it's called. Alright, we poured all of it in there. It smells salty.
It smell. Wait, let me see.
Here's the smell test.
It smells like a vape.
It
I don't have anything to stir it with. I'm out of
I'm
silverware.
just gonna shake it.
Okay, yeah, good call.
Alright. About to try it.
Damn, we would have just died for sure.
Try it.
What the fuck? Why'd you make
Try it
that
on
face?
camera.
Why'd you make that face?
Let's see if you make the same face.
Alright. Dude, the aftertaste is pretty good though. It's actually not bad.
Tastes like drinking the ocean.
Dude, oh my. Yeah, definitely not a bot. Just lasered me.
It's so good. Sponsor me. LMNT. Element.
Fucking board just go flying out right here.
We're talking about maybe potentially putting a quarter pipe in his apartment.
If I get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I'll build a quarter pipe right here. Deadass.
For real? You want to stake on it?
Yeah, I will. 100%.
I'll help you with it.
Okay, bet. I will.
Maybe I'll be working for Keen about then.
Okay. Yeah, dude, we can fucking drop in right here, like board down, speed, backsmith.
Oh, you're talking about putting like a half pipe in
Like
here.
a quarter pipe right there, like the one you just showed
But
me.
you just said you drop in.
No. I mean, like put the board down.
Oh,
Put it down
yeah.
on the ground and then push.
Oh yeah,
Get
yeah.
speed, or maybe backsmith back here and then come back.
Hell yeah.
I think that's totally possible. And then we could just stash it underneath the table right there.
What, the quarter?
Yeah, we can just push it over there.
There's like rollers under it?
No, just
Or on the-
fucking skirt it. I'm definitely not getting my deposit back at though. I plan on being here for a couple of years, so fuck it.
Dude.
The money's long gone.
Are we about to go?
Yeah, we're ready to go.
About to go to the. Hey, don't touch me. I'm just kidding. We're about to go to the thrift store before we go skate El Sereno with Jay. But yeah, look at my pants, dude. Some dude ran me off the side of the road today. I almost flipped the car and freaking ice cream spilled all over me. But yeah,
Fucking Sk9er, bro.
I'm lucky to be alive, dude.
Almost ran You almost rolled the car.
Oh,
That's
he
dramatic.
ran me off the road.
No, he did not.
Yes, he did.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. But yeah. Fuck. What was that? Your car just farted. Your car just farted.
Why'd you scream?
Because he scared me.
Holy shit, dude. That was crazy.
Dude! Oh my god! Dude! Calm down.
Holy shit. Alright, see you guys at the thrift store maybe, or El Sereno, wherever the fuck.
We're in heaven.
Oh
We can
God.
flip the car. I think those electrolytes are messing my burps up.
There's a toggle. There's a toggle about, bro. I can't fucking smell. I can honestly, I can't handle it. You got warned me before you burp again, dude.
Dude, the Taco Bell, the loaded beef nachos mixed with the tacos you gave me mixed with the electrolytes. Dude, it made my burps smell disgusting. And I even burped out the window, but it didn't travel back in.
It went around the car.
Alright, we're going to the thrift store. See you guys. We have arrived. We didn't go to any thrift stores because they're closed. But we're just looking for El Sereno skate park. We've never been. He's never been. I've never been.
I'm meeting J-Films.
We're meeting J Films.
J-Films. The goat. Oh,
He
it's
is
up
the
there.
goat. He is the goat.
Is it back there? Just like kids skateboarding, right?
I
That's
guess.
a tennis court.
I'm gonna burp again.
Dude. Okay. Park it. Fucking Christ. I can't handle it, dude. This burp smell like fucking Satan's asshole. Terrible, like a chipmunk crawled up there and died. Poor little fucking squirrel or something. I don't know. It smells horrible, dude. Like, actually. Is there no parking on it?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna park right here.
Check out my new shoes. I got these about a month ago. They're about to fall apart. Oh, I got a burp.
Ew! Get the fuck away!
I'm just playing.
Alright, I'll do one.
Another one. It's
Those were crispy though.
yeah, I filmed them fire too.
Dude, come on.
Dude, they're brand new shoes.
He's a poser. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you, dude. Don't get in your head.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You're gonna get it though. You just gotta break him in a little.
Dude, there's no way I'm taking that.
You just gotta break him in.
This is gonna be a tough session for me, dude.
Yeah, that was crispy.
Alright.
Now do it downhill.
I got scared.
All right, got a burp.
Alright, no way. Oh! Oh my god, dude! I'm about to throw up, bro!
It's kind of packed. What's your first reaction to just looking at the park?
Back.
You see anything in particular?
Gap 50. I like the bump the rail.
I bet.
Looks pretty cool. I say it's pretty chill.
Nah.
Okay.
Just filming for my vlog.
Nice,
You on live?
Yeah, I'm live right now. Please say what's up.
What's up? What's up, chat?
Oh, fucking way.
Do it.
Chill, hold on. I'm not doing this for free.
$100
Do
bucks?
it for the vlog.
Chad, if y'all send 100 and I'll eat this shit. Nah, it's kind of fucked up. Someone's gonna be like, it's animal
is that?
cruelty.
Dude, there's no way.
Is that a beef?
Wait, what the?
Sk9er, how much do you eat that?
What is it?
I don't
Pull it.
fucking
I'll eat this shit for $100 right now.
It's good protein. It's good
I ain't got
protein.
that type of money.
You got the Alabama brain.
Hey, you wanna eat it?
It's good, bro.
Hell no. Fuck.
He's all, damn, that's the best shit I ate all week.
Eat it, bro. I'll give you $10.
If they send a $500 donation, I'll eat it.
500?
Okay.
Yeah, bro. Okay.
Bill Gates is not on here, bro.
Oh, God. This is Bill Gates donated 500. He says you never know who's watching.
You never know who's, you never know who's watching.
Imagine he was watching.
Bro, I got $4 to my name right now.
All right, man. All right,
Fuck
no
it.
one's eating it. Let's go to Chevy. Come on.
No one's eating it. I'll keep it just in case.
Dude, you have like a little jar? little jar? A little mason
You'll
jar.
say $100
You're like, y'all
donation.
shaking it? You're all $100, I'll eat this. Little guy's like bouncing off the glass.
I'm gonna be down bad for that.
Dude, he's all crawling up the side of the glass and shit.
$100 protein meal.